Welcome to this tutorial on how to get crypto buying power in Webull. To start, you need to have a Webull account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Once you have an account, log in to the Webull app or website. First, navigate to the crypto section of the platform. This can usually be found on the home screen or by searching for it in the search bar. Here you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies to trade. To get crypto buying power, you need to fund your Webull account. You can do this by clicking on the deposit button and following the prompts to link your bank account or other payment method. The funds will typically take a few days to settle, after which you can use them to buy cryptocurrency. Another way to get crypto buying power is by transferring cryptocurrency from an external wallet to your Webull account. To do this, go to the crypto section and click on the transfer button. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and follow the instructions to complete the transfer. It is also important to note that Webull has certain requirements and restrictions for crypto trading, such as minimum balance requirements and trading limits. Make sure to review these before you start trading. In addition, keep in mind that cryptocurrency trading is a high-risk activity and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also important to do your own research and stay up to date with market news and trends. By following these steps and best practices, you can get crypto buying power in Webull and start trading cryptocurrency. Remember to always prioritize risk management and trade responsibly.